Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart might look a little different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. But overall, it was a very healthy weekend, and I'm defining very healthy because the price did a great job of staying up above that green line, which I talked about in the previous video on Friday of 9,300. So sure, it's not like the price exploded upwards or you necessarily made any sort of massive movements, but just from a good, solid consolidation point of view, good to see that now the price is just simply going sideways, which is much higher than where it was, not that long ago when it was flirting and kind of going sideways down around there. So overall, a good, healthy weekend. And let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. You want to just continue to measure the health of, is this still remaining healthy? So that's where we go back to 9,300. And that should be the first question you're asking yourself. So no matter really when you're watching this video, just take a quick inventory check. Is the price still up above 9,300? As long as it is, then, no matter when you're watching this, that implies that the overall consolidation remains extremely, extremely healthy. Now, the exciting part becomes, okay, well, if you are still answering the question that the price is above 9,300, the next immediate question becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the 10,000 mark, which is that red line up there? And, it's not very close right now, but then again, it is Bitcoin, so you never know. Maybe the price works its way up to that area. But from that angle, it's a very common sense, gut instincts point of view, meaning if you are answering the question that the price is above 10,000, at that point, it's just a matter of the further the price is above 10,000, the more bullish, the more, the stronger the breakout has actually become. So from that point of view, nothing to overcomplicate it. Now, granted, with that being said, if you're watching this and the price has actually worked its way, is now sitting right up around 9,800, don't get me wrong, that's definitely still a good situation. That is still higher than where it is right now. But like I said, the ultimate sign of true bullishness and a very, very impressive, a very, very strong chart would be if the price is up there above that 10,000 mark. But again, if you're saying, well, Clay, no, I'm watching this 20 hours from now and the price is not above 10,000, that's not the end of the world. That doesn't mean anything bearish at all. And like I said, as long as the price still is above the 9,300 mark, that's what matters most. But overall, a nice, healthy weekend. And now it's just a question of, can the price eventually work its way up to that 10,000 mark? Let's see how this week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.